Hello Sizziers! Today we'll start building a news app with you. In this video, we'll make a top bar for the application and show how to create it in 3 ways. Let's start with creating a top bar in the editor itself. To do this, we first draw a frame, adjust its height, remove the color, drag our top bar down and apply a horizontal of the layout. Next, we create another frame, center it, remove the fill and go to the Presses tab and select the icon, and then center it in the same way. We put the icon inside the frame, set a vertical of the layout, then add text and paste it into the created after layout. Let's set up our after layout. Let's raise our icon to a layer higher, set the after layout to the center position, and then center the text and apply the fill container property, after which we put our outer layout in the top bar. Now we will set the fill container property to our assembled container inside the top bar. Press Command D, and now each object inserted into the top bar will be automatically inserted with the correct proportions. Next step is to customize the icons. Select the icon layer inside the container, then select the appropriate icon. The icons will be automatically replaced. After that, we can set a suitable color for it. Now we will create a separator that will separate our top bar from the main body of the app. Then we create a frame, nest it in the top bar and merge the previously created containers. Give them a horizontal of the layout and apply the fill container property. Next, we set the top bar to a vertical of the layout and then put the separator above the top bar. Good job! We have designed the top bar, but in order for it to become functional, we need to click on the top bar and then go to the Create Preset tab and apply the functional top bar preset. Now let's change the colors of the active and inactive states of the buttons. In order to switch the pages of our application when clicking on the icons, we need to create a new page. After creating the pages, we click on the Select Page button and assign the first page to the first icon, and just like this, assign the second page to our second icon. Second way to create the top bar is through ready-made presets. We press the preset, select the top bar and start customizing it for our application. You can also create a top bar in Figma and import it into Sizze editor. Thanks for watching. In this video you got acquainted with 3 ways to create a top bar. Let's continue in the next videos.